Recovering after orthopedic surgery, why rehab is essential. Have you or a loved one had orthopedic surgery? Physio plays a huge role in your recovery journey. Whether it is hip replacement, rotator cuff repair, or knee surgery, rehab is key to regaining strength, balance, and function. At Redwater Physiotherapy, we create progressive post-op recovery plans with safety and mobility at the core, so you heal faster and get back to what you love. When should I start physiotherapy after surgery? Usually within a few days to weeks, depending on the surgery. Early rehab helps prevent stiffness and muscle loss. Can I do physio at home after surgery? Absolutely. We offer in-home care or guided home programs if clinic visits aren't possible.